Hi everyone, this is Kay with Photonic Therapy Institute, back with another PowerPoint on animals this week. And my helper today is Ace. He's my 8-year-old Anatolian Shepherd. And if we can keep him standing up and awake, he's kind of relaxed during the day because he protects us all night. Anyway, he's going to help us demonstrate how to find spleen 6. Now, spleen 6 is a master point, which means it controls and regulates energy in a specific part of the body. And the master point spleen 6 controls the lower abdomen, okay? So caudal abdomen down here. So makes sense, it'd be really good for digestive issues, reproductive issues, urinary tract issues, anything in the lower abdomen and urogenital areas. It helps a lot when you have infertility issues, and even breast lumps, because the spleen meridian comes up and it ends right here on by the armpit. So on us, it helps to affect everything going into the mammary glands as well. So to find spleen 6 on your dog, you come to the back leg. We call this 3 yin intersection. So it's the intersection of energy between 3 yin meridians. And it is 3 sun, which is about the width of a rib, above the medial malleolus of the tibia. So basically the big lump at the bottom here at the hock, come up just about 3 fingers, all right? And you're going to be right here behind the ligament. This is spleen 6, okay? It's really easy to light up. You can do this on a horse, you can do it on, now notice he's really reacting to that. It is a very powerful point. Horses may kick, alpaca may kick, and, oops, come on, come here, stand up, stand up. Good boy, come here, stand, come on. Come on. Never do more work than you have to is Ace's motto. Good boy. Yes. That's good. So now on us, it's the same sort of idea. To find the spleen 6 on yourself, it's about 3 finger lengths above the ankle bone. All right? So that you'll find that divot. Sometimes it's kind of tender. We use it in a lot of our recipes. Very, very powerful point. Another dog heard from. She's upset she's not getting to demo today. If you'd like to learn more about this, our next Finding the Path class, which takes people all the way through the meridians and how to trace them on your own body and then on the pet's body, that's going to start February 2nd. You can find it at lighttherapytools.com. But also, don't forget, we're having a 2-day Light Therapy for Animals Summit in January. It's free to attend on January 16th and 17th, or you can get a full year of recordings. We have like 25 different speakers, different sessions from veterinarians, researchers, university professors, manufacturers, and certified light therapists. You can go to our website, photonictherapyinstitute.com. Click on the big picture at the top. It's going to talk about the summit. Like I said, free to attend or $50 for the whole year. Please share it with your friends. It may be one of the best Christmas and holiday gifts you ever give, because they're going to learn ways to take care of their animals without drugs. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.